What? What, man?
Under fire.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Boy, me say if me love that girl named Spice one more time, something go wrong with me. Rasta probably would have to come find me. But anyway, people, Spice there and Spice attack about Rasta. Spice I say, yo, she have to watch out Rasta every second, every move. Because she not take it lightly. Because you have some rat out there where we try to grab your man. You don't know it go already. Ladies, who do me attack? You don't know when you have a good man, even your own friend, we try to take him. Yeah, I saw it go for real. And that's why somehow you have to make sure you on a video call pan a regular and make sure you on keep tabs. Not the stalkerish way, but yeah. Anyway, make we go listen what Spice are going with yourself.
Must be crazy.
Never know so love nice.
Nice. Look here.
Nice. Me nobody want to sing.
When the rest man around me, I want to know what him doing. How it go. I call him right through like a general. All when I see 2 hours pass, I not see him call me, I just video call him. All when me no. Can't give it a secret. Can't give it a secret, the rest is here. The rest is watching me. All when me not ask about nothing. You have to check up. You crazy? Them girl you out the road. Them not easy. Them grab a man fast, you have to know what you do, you have to focus. When you have good man, you have to focus. Okay, don't worry about last week I lift up. I danced it out last night when I did Tampa. You have to focus. When you get good man, you have to focus. See, man, them girls like Tayeri, them girls like Tayeri with sweet.
I like that, come and take people man, they're crazy.
Tayeri wants a man right now, I don't know how she honest like the girl them last night.
Who want that dick?
Hey,
I want a boy
last night. Say, oh, we just come out tonight.
Come out, yeah, she get prison for 1 year and just come out. You want body tonight.
Tonight, she want body. But you don't have to check up on the man. You're not crazy. You can't leg a man for roam a road. Them gal you will eat on a man. Them gal will go up her head and broke them neck pound a man. You crazy? Must be mad. When you can't stay there and want to talk truths. And just the truths. When it good, it good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
Right, that's all. From, I listen to me, I laugh with Tayeri. I watch her from her day. And every time she see my man, she dip and watch Rasta.
Because me just manifest my Rasta. I don't watch fear Rasta. I just manifest my Rasta. You understand? So every time when them say watch Rasta, I have to say watch Rasta.
Yeah, Rasta now.
She no blood clot. No,
I
say
manifest
watch
my
she.
Rasta. That's easy.
I not listen to what she say. I watch she.
I manifest my Rasta.
Because all of the friends will take on the man. So you can't stay there that time. But you don't know watching the man.
Yo, so I see
wicked. For me here, she said watch Rasta one time. Me not take me yaya far. Every time a blood clot man come downstairs, me I watch she.
I like that.
Because every minute she dep and watch Rasta.
Watch Rasta.
Rasta.
I manifest my Rasta. Manifest me, you have to manifest a Rasta. You understand? You see the black love, you have to manifest for that too. Yeah. And she muggle right through with Ozzy. So you have to manifest mine too, you crazy. Watch Rasta.
So the my Rasta what Rasta for yourself?
I want a Rasta for myself. Yes. And I see how Rasta make you feel more my Rasta so now me feel
But I explain something to you when it comes to relationship.
Yes.
You will get a Rasta, you know, not gonna make you feel like, oh my Rasta make me feel to each his own.
Which is right.
So you cannot say that.
Which is right.
And you see the girl with them relationship.
Yeah.
And you say goals.
Yes.
Goals your blood clot. And a sight go. And a sight go. Build your own goals.
Which is right.
Because how a man treat me, I'm not gonna treat
Nah,
you.
treat you.
Because my old probably better than yours. You understand? We clatter. Cookie, we clatter right now. We clatter. We sit there about clatter, Cookie.
You wear my shirt, you wear my pants, you wear my wig. You can't catch us.
Cookie.
You don't drip me right through.
Lord, things are get hot. No, but I true me attack. You don't have to listen to me. You know, so I'm gonna start do an advice session. I'm gonna start an advice session. Because yes, when you see the people that wanna talk about goals,
Yeah.
and then you don't want the girl man. I wanna do everything to take the girl man. I wanna take the girl man and the man not treat uno like how uno used to see the man treat the girl.
Right.
To each his own.
Yes.
So set your own goals.
Look about it.
Find your own man.
No, but you
Find
see,
your own liking.
you wanna know? You have a thing where sometimes you say no. Oh.
Wait, the week egg be my first on the table.
You know, sometimes you say, my hair, I love them the way they go on. So someone go on and manifest that, you know, so when time I go on,
Oh,
I
so
say,
you like,
my scalp.
Oh, so you just like how I'm going with my man then?
Yeah.
You just like you like the relationship I'm building with my man?
Yes.
And you want your relationship to be like that?
I manifest my relationship to be even better.
Well, I'm the people them area, I
But
see you.
I manifest my relationship to be even better. You understand?
Right.
But that shows me a little set. You know, you're not showing a toxic relationship and go on this so. You know, you're not showing a little toxicity. So at that, I just like, you understand?
When I run left the toxic man them.
Right.
And sometimes when I have the man them and the man them full of problem, I don't know why let them go.
Right. You have to let them go. You
You
can't.
have to let them go and move on and find better.
You can't make them mad. You cannot. You have to really focus.
But you not just say the man never mad yet?
Never mad me yet, you crazy?
So what happened to the boy that call me down and a ball and I say
No,
nah, shut it down.
Don't stay good.
Talk the truth.
It's not true.
And that I like with una girl, everybody come talk, but I have no head. When you talk the truth,
never
it's
mad
just
me.
the truth.
Him never mad
So
me.
where you
The
call
more
me,
them
where you
mad
there
me.
say?
Him,
Yeah, stutter and a stammer. When you call me about the boy, what you really did I say?
him just never behave himself. So I just want a little, you know, little help. Just didn't want a little help. That's
Me
it.
weak to the boy, me can't take it no more. Nah, I don't talk. Him say I'm insecure, but enough gyal run him down. That's for sure. Me watch him like cause him go through the door. Friend them a ask when me a go and suffer. Me I'm mad over the boy, yeah. Right, true. That's the truth.
Watch Rasta.
You me tell about it.
No, tell me now. Talk truth. Manifestation, man ass.
Me give the boy me head. Him no stop stir my daily mate. Oh, the raspa in a bed. But we to the boy, I can't take
You
it
have
no
to show
more.
the
I
nails.
just the
You have to
truth.
show the nails. You have to show the nails.
I just the truth.
Right.
Nails right, that's
Right.
The nails want fill. The nails want fill it a lift up. I did it for his birthday. I like the cute things.
Yes.
Ladies don't have enough to take care of a man and don't do the cute things them. Because it's not the big things, it's the small things that matters.
Yes.
Yeah. But I just the truth. I'm weak to the boy. I can't take it no more. And I don't talk. Right there so. I'm going upstairs to sleep. I haven't slept in 3 days. You know, we fly from where we go first? From Atlanta
Straight to Tampa.
to Tampa. And from Tampa to where?
Lauderdale.
So I haven't slept in 3 nights. So I go upstairs, go lie down in a bed. Rasta gonna rub me right down and massage foot there. So yes.
Ready for this?
Man to treat you good.
Very good.
Yeah, and that's the truth.
And that's the truth. And the little things where you say.
That's the little things them that count.
I love the body.
So I gotta leave you guys. Happy Sunday. I was just checking in on you guys. Don't forget check out the video them. Ed video is out. I remember clean out, you know. Me and Daddy clean, so me I won't know. And I'm watching.
You know me I gonna ask a question to the general them where I watch this right now. Any man where they are some more than man them answer me down in the comment section. If you have your woman and she have video call you every minute, would that get you annoyed or would you feel like yo that girl you really a check for me, you know? More on the answer down in the comment section. See? And ladies, me I ask another question, yeah. Do you video call your man and how often do you do it? Wanna feel that stalkerish? More no. Zin, talk to me down below, but I love to see your response to that. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, where you wait pan, hit the subscribe button and turn on all notification. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Want to boost traffic to your business or get more ears listening to your music? Don't know where to start? Let us help you. Advertise with Unstoppable Media and get noticed today. Contact us at 876-420-3368 or email us at xtrailplayer@gmail.com. That's xtrailplayer@gmail.com. Let us put you in front of our audience today.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.